caught myself a kingfish at the Georges River. Look at that. I'll get him out. Got myself a legal kingfish off the Georges River. And exactly 66 centimetres. I thought I had a really good dewy on.
Wow.
I'm happy with that.
Mate, I'd be happy with that.
Jewfish bycatch on live bait.
Yeah, dinkum.
Got some terminal tackle, and this is what he's tangled over with.
Shit.
Hooks, sinkers, the light for hairtail, my sinker above, tangled.
Is that a light, is it?
Yeah, that's for hairtail.
Oh, really?
Look how he's tangled everything. And I just hooked him on the lip. He was going underneath the wharf and I thought, oh shit, he's going to bust me off, but luckily he didn't. Yeah, it's going to be fun getting this done.
Oh, just have to cut it.
Yeah. Nice flatty to the mix. Beautiful colours, and that just shows how healthy this fish is in the Georges River. Well, the Georges River has produced, and I'm quite impressed with the diversity of fish that you can catch here. So yeah, that kingfish came along really well, and that flatty and a few other hits on liveys, but yeah, I had a great time, great couple of hours. So if you've got a few questions, feel free to ask. More than happy to help you out, and until next time, tight lines.